25 amazing benefits of black grapes, nature's sweet and nutritious delight. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring the incredible benefits of black grapes. Bursting with flavor and packed with nutrients, black grapes are not only delicious but also offer a plethora of health benefits. So, let's delve into the world of these little natural gems and discover why they're so good for us. Antioxidant powerhouse. Black grapes are rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and protect our cells from oxidative stress. Heart health booster. Regular consumption of black grapes can support heart health by improving blood circulation, reducing cholesterol levels, and preventing the formation of blood clots. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium content in black grapes helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Immune system strengthener. Packed with vitamin C, black grapes fortify the immune system and help fight off infections and illnesses. Digestive health support. The fiber present in black grapes aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and prevents constipation. Weight management. Black grapes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a healthy snack option for weight management. Skin radiance. The antioxidants in black grapes help rejuvenate the skin, promote a youthful appearance, and protect against damage from sun exposure. Eye health maintenance. Black grapes contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Brain function enhancer. The polyphenols in black grapes have been linked to improved cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Bone strength. Black grapes are a source of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which are crucial for maintaining strong bones. Cancer prevention. Some compounds found in black grapes, such as resveratrol, have shown potential in preventing certain types of cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Liver detoxification. Black grapes contain detoxifying properties that aid in liver health and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Anti-inflammatory effects. Black grapes possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and ease symptoms of inflammatory conditions. Energy booster. Black grapes provide a natural energy boost due to their carbohydrate content, making them a great snack for a quick pick-me-up. Mood enhancement. Black grapes contain compounds that may positively impact mood and help reduce stress and anxiety. Respiratory health. The nutrients in black grapes can support respiratory health and may help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like asthma. Anti-aging benefits. The antioxidants in black grapes combat oxidative stress and promote youthful-looking skin, reducing the signs of aging. Healthy hair. The vitamins and minerals in black grapes contribute to healthy hair growth, strength, and shine. Anti-diabetic properties. Black grapes have a low glycemic index and contain compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes. Kidney health. Black grapes have diuretic properties that can aid in promoting kidney health and preventing kidney stones. Hydration support. With a high water content, black grapes contribute to hydration and help maintain proper bodily functions. Anti-allergic effects. Black grapes may have anti-allergic properties that can help alleviate symptoms of allergies and reduce inflammation. Dental health. The natural compounds in black grapes can contribute to oral health by preventing the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. Antimicrobial action. Black grapes possess antimicrobial properties that can help fight against certain bacteria and viruses. Joint health. The anti-inflammatory properties of black grapes may help. If this video is good, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.